Hello everyone, this is Keanu, your Pampered Chef Consultant, and today we're going to make chicken salad in our manual food processor. This has become my new favorite everyday equipment in my household. And have you ever gone to Sam's or Costco, and of course, you know, how do you turn down one of these rotisserie chickens? I gotta always buy it, whether I want to eat it or not. So we have this rotisserie chicken, you have leftovers, and then, you know, you go walk around and the bread smells so good, and then, you know, then you buy one of these big containers of croissants, and you're like, you get home, you're like, geez, I only needed 1 or 2 of those. All right, and then what are you gonna do with it? All right, so we just did that yesterday, and I said, you know what, let's go and make this. I've never done this before, guys, so we're going to try this. Now, in the Midwest, this is really a popular thing when we go to parties and everything, is chicken salad. So I'm going to look this up. It has some onions, so I kind of pre-chopped it a little bit. So, you know, I like my onions pretty fine because I'm not an onion eater, but I like it in the food, but I don't really dig onions. So I'm gonna chop this up first before I put my chicken in. So you just press down, you open this lid, press down, let's move this out of the way so you can see. And I wanna chop my onions a little bit more before I put my chicken, because I almost like mine disintegrating. You do how you like it. You like it chunky, you put it all in and do it the way it's. Okay, see how I chopped it just a couple of times and looks how nice it got? All right, so it said we're gonna put some chicken. I chopped up some chicken, the breast, okay, and the main ingredient is mayo. So, you know, I don't know what kind of mayo. I guess you could put Miracle Whip if you want to have a little more pickly flavor in there, because it is a little pickly. Let's put that in there. I don't know how much chicken I need to put. Okay, well, let's put a little bit, and then if we got to add more, we will. I'm going to add some pepper and salt, because I want that in there. I want to blend it together. So just put a little bit of that. I'm going to put some salt. And then, you know, it's pretty standard with celery. You know, some people in my house don't like celery in their food, but I'm putting it because I like celery, and I'm going to eat it. Okay. Now, since mayo is the main ingredient, you won't need as much avocado if you want to put avocado in it. I'm going to put avocado because we bought avocados, and I need to use them. So I just got a half of avocado in here. Now, the only thing is probably my chicken salad might turn brown, so I don't know if I got to put some lemon in here, because here's the half. See, they're very tiny, but they're very creamy. You know, if you leave the seed in there, it'll help not turn so brown so quickly. I probably need to put some lemon, but I don't have it here right now, and I want to do this demonstration for you. So maybe I would add just a little squeeze in there, and it'll give it a nice little zest. So here's my mayo, and let's put... what should we do? Let's see. Maybe let's chop this up a little bit first. Let's just chop this, because look, it's really lots of stuff in there. Like I said, I've never done this before, so you're the first to see this. So let's just put a little chop, kind of mix up the stuff. Let's see how this chops. It's pretty nice. Okay. All right, that's good. So there, at least I got the chicken and the. Let's put this in here, some mayo. Oh, maybe I'm putting too much, huh? You know what? Less is better, and then you can always add. And another thing I saw, some people put green onion. You know, I'm from Hawaii, and we eat a lot of green onion, but I don't know if I want green onion in this. If I want green onion, I think I might just sprinkle it on my sandwich. Okay, let's give this a chop. Let me see. This is... You would never think that this little machine can do so many stuff. Like, you just throw some tomatoes and, you know, jalapenos, whatever you want, you know, onions, and you can make a salsa. You throw your avocado, you make guacamole. Whoa, check it out. That looks pretty good. Hey, look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Hey, okay. Well, this is my house, and I'm going to taste it. Well, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to put a squeeze a little lemon, because I did put the avocado. Wow, that's perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, watch it. So we got a break the diet big box of croissants. So I cut this, so I'd be ready. Take your wow, look at that. Man, only if you could taste this. Just that, that's all the flavor you needed. And then you make a nice little sandwich. Wow. And like I said, okay, what if I said I liked green onion in my sandwich? So I could just sprinkle some in it. Let me taste and see if I like green onion. We'll put it on the edge. Mm. Mm. No. You can put green onion. It merges with the other onion. Wow, this is amazing, guys. And then you can just take out this, see the blade, it just pops right out. And then this manual food processor has a lid. Cover it and stick it in your fridge or go to a party and you have it all there. I mean, like, say you're gonna go to a friend's house real quick and you have to do something. You look in your fridge, you go, hey, I got avocado, I got tomatoes, I got this, so, whatever you got, throw it in there, bang, 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 and you're done. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Be creative, add whatever you like into your food, and have a wonderful day. And thanks for being with me today. Aloha.